Zen's Mowers. Got another go-kart. I posted a video yesterday. I'll leave that link in the description with this. That was a steal, and I just sold that yesterday too. But we'll go ahead and show off this one. It's the same type of go-kart, a yellow jacket, as can be seen on the seat. Instead of a Tecumseh 5-horse, this is a Briggs Stratton 5-horse. I kind of paid a little high for it. I'll go ahead and zoom in on that. No, you're not going to see it. No, camera can focus. I'll go ahead and get a different picture of that and post that in the description. But I'll go ahead and show the rest of this go-kart off. All the tires hold air. The steering works. It might squeak, but it actuates. There's no locked rear wheel. I can move this freely. Now I'll probably be in a carburetor and a throttle cable. I just put this air box back on here because when I got it, the air box was not on it. So I'll probably be into this if I don't get it sold. And yeah, just like our videos, comment, subscribe to our channel, and our Facebook link will be in our description. Have a nice day.